Hi, welcome to the Soul Tribe and to this meditation for increasing positive energy. Today's session is about tapping into that positive energy source that can transform your outlook and unlock your potential. Take a moment to find a comfortable position, noticing the support of the chair or cushion beneath you. Find a posture where you can hold your back tall, your hands resting gently in your lap or on your knees. Then, when you're ready, close your eyes. Start by inviting your full attention to your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Give your body permission to relax, softening any tension from your forehead, your jaw, dropping your shoulders and letting go. Begin to visualize a white light from the crown of your head. Feel this bright white source energy exuding from you. This is life. Envisage this light flooding your being, cascading over you and enveloping you. Know that you are safe and you are held. Feel this pure positive energy moving through you, circulating freely and raising your vibrations. Breathe in and out. As you breathe in, you're inhaling peace and abundance. As you breathe out, you're releasing any negative thoughts that do not serve you. Keep visualizing this luminous light running through you, cleansing away any negative thoughts or emotions. You are capable. You are strong. And this positive energy lives in you. This light emanating from the crown of your head is your guide and your personal brilliance. Focus on your breath and how you're inhaling happiness and exhaling any worries or doubts. Take the next few moments to focus on your breathing. You are attracting positivity into your life. Inhaling deeply, exhaling slowly. If you find that your mind has wandered, just observe and accept this. Do not judge. Simply note that your mind has drifted and slowly bring it back to your breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Repeat these affirmations to yourself as you envisage this positive energy running through you and around you. Positivity comes easily to me. I am confident in my abilities. My potential is limitless. Positivity comes easily to me. I am confident in my abilities. My potential is limitless. Take the next few moments to continue repeating these to yourself, all the while imagining that white light cascading down around you and pulsing through you, from the crown of your head all the way to the tips of your toes. Feel reassured that you have all you need to experience this positive energy. Know that this energy of positivity and peace will remain with you long after this practice. As we come to the end of our practice, start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Thank yourself for showing up for you in this moment. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. And gently open your eyes. Please like this video, share with others who may find this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more. We look forward to welcoming you back to the Soul Tribe soon.